Hello friends, hey!
Again, we are the
Kindred Spirits.
And we would like to invite you to the Centennial Celebration.
Yes.
Hello friends, hey!
Again, we are the
Kindred Spirits. Good morning, friends, and blessed Sunday. We just attended Mass here at St. Nicholas Church, and it's the only Catholic church for many miles around here in central Thailand. Today, we're very excited because we're about to witness the preparation for the centennial of St. Nicholas. It was founded in 1920 in the Buddhist calendar 2463. As you can see here, we have the centennial celebration coming up. And in just 6 days, we're going to celebrate the preparation for this centennial celebration. All right. So it's the Archdiocese will be coming here, and the Archbishop of Nakonsawan Diocese will be here to rededicate the church to the glory of God in this centennial anniversary. So come join us. Let's look at it. Okay. Letty and Joanne.
Hi. As you can see here, the church will be rededicated to be officiated by His Highness, Most Reverend Joseph Dibol, the Bishop of
Nakonsawan Diocese. Yes. This Saturday. It's coming Saturday.
Yeah,
Only 6 days.
that will be on the
22nd of February. So if you will go here, you will see the preparation that is going on right now. Ready?
But I think it's better if we will let them show the old St. Nicholas, so they can really like describe or
They can imagine
imagine.
how it has transformed. Or the changes after the restoration.
That's very exciting. So we hope that you will join us in 6 days on the 22nd of February for this wonderful celebration, this rededication centennial anniversary. Okay? Thank you, friends. Hello, friends.
Again, we are the
Kindred Spirits.
And we would like to invite you to join us for the centennial celebration of St. Nicholas Church.
It'll be this February 22nd, so Saturday, this coming Saturday, here at St. Nicholas in Phitsanulok, Thailand. So we welcome you to please come and celebrate with us, and we can show you the interior of the sanctuary. It's going to be very beautiful.
And another one, please remember to register. That will be this coming March 15. They have this fun run, so everybody is welcome. Okay, and we hope to see you there.
Let's run together.
You can find it on the Facebook, St. Nicholas Facebook web page.
Yes.
Web link, that will take you to your registration if you want to look into that.
Yeah.
Right.
Or if you have some friends who work in St. Nicholas, you can also ask for the form.
Right.
Okay.
Take it right there.
Now we hope that you enjoy these videos. If you have enjoyed them, please
Don't forget to
subscribe, like and subscribe below here.
and turn on your notifications